Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Astu's back. I'm back. Yeah, me. How y'all doing? I have this. Welcome back. Hey, I have this 2010 Acura MDX 3.7 liter engine. Not much. Know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. And after that, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. I I do it. Know what I'm saying? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. The feedback, put it in the comment box for me. And yeah. Did I say hit the like button? Destroy the subscribe button, please. Alright? Alright. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's do this oil change. 2010 Acura MDX 3.7 liter. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Let's get it. Boom. Hey, what? Hey. Hey, how you doing, guys? I'm back. Welcome back. I hope you like and enjoy the video how to do the oil change in this 2010 Acura MDX 3.7 And now it's only right that I show you how to do the oil life reset. Yeah, I mean, before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe. Destroy the subscribe button. I'm saying 90% of the people that I watch these videos, they don't subscribe. So please, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, destroy the subscribe button. I'm saying, and bang the like button and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. By the way, I put 5 quarts of synthetic oil, 0W20. And alright, let's get to the oil life reset. Let's do it from the beginning, okay? You don't need to start the vehicle. Right now it's in on position, okay? All you're gonna do is play with these guys. So, with the arrows, and this is select, okay? So with the arrows, you're gonna see that. Go there, okay? And then press the select button. Keep selecting it. Oh, you're gonna see that outside, the temperature. When you see that one, when you like pressing the arrow up and down, when you see the outside temperature, press the select button. You're gonna see the oil life, okay, which is 40% now. Now press and hold the select button. This one, press and hold it. Okay. It's gonna ask you reset. Arrow up. Sorry for the light, it's too bright. Let's see if I can change that. I guess not, it's too bright. Alright, whatever. Right there. Alright, select. Oil life 100%. Alright, and this is how you reset the oil life in this 2010 Acura MDX. 3.7 liter engine. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Anything you need to say, put it in the comment box for me. Alright? And I catch you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Hey!